from mountain pose, we're gonna go back to the front of our mats and go through a half sun salute. So half sun salutes are all about welcoming your day, welcoming the sun. Generally, they really get the body warm for a practice, or if you just have a few minutes to practice, sometimes a few vinyasas are really nice. The first thing we're gonna do together is our half sun salute. So we'll start in mountain pose, Tadasana, standing nice and tall. Let's take an inhale, reach your arms up overhead. And then exhale, start to slowly fold down. And as you do so, you can bend the knees. I also have a block here, so I could place my hands on the block on a low setting, medium, or even high, depending on how I'm feeling for the day. So get the support from the block or from the mat. After you fold forward, we're gonna inhale, lift halfway up. So those hands can go on the shins, pressing into the shins, looking, lifting halfway. And then exhale, reach back for your toes. Inhale, reaching the arms all the way back up. And hands draw to heart. Good, so it's every other. So every time we're inhaling, we're lifting the arms. Exhaling is usually when we're folding, turning inward. So just practicing that, but don't get caught up on breath. I'll remind you as we go. As long as you're breathing, you're doing yoga. So from Tadasana, let's do that together. Inhaling, reaching arms up. You can go forward to the side, whatever space you have. Exhale, folding down. Hands to block or to the mat. Inhale, hands come to the shins, lifting, looking halfway. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, arms rise all the way up. And hands draw right to the heart.